Welcome to this instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. So grab a pencil and paper, and let's get started with reducing this rational expression. To reduce the rational expression x squared minus 25 over x plus 5 to lowest terms, we begin by factoring the numerator. The numerator, which is x squared minus 25, is a difference of squares. The difference of squares is a special factoring rule where a squared term minus another squared term can be factored into the product of two binomials. These binomials will take the form of the square root of the first term plus the square root of the second term multiplied by the square root of the first term minus the square root of the second term. For our expression, we recognize that x squared is a perfect square, and 25 is also a perfect square because it is equal to 5 squared. Following the difference of squares rule, we can factor x squared minus 25 into the product of two binomials, which are x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5. So, this changes our rational expression from x squared minus 25 over x plus 5 to x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5 over x plus 5. The next step will involve simplifying this expression further. Now that we have factored the numerator, our rational expression is transformed from x squared minus 25 over x plus 5 to x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5 over x plus 5. In this step, we look for common factors in the numerator and the denominator to simplify the expression. Notice that in both the numerator and the denominator, there is a common factor of x plus 5. According to the fundamental principle of fractions, if the same term appears in both the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel them out. This means we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by x plus 5. When we cancel out x plus 5 from both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with just x minus 5 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator, since anything divided by itself is 1. Thus, the simplified form of the expression is x minus 5. This is the final step, and the rational expression x squared minus 25 over x plus 5 in its lowest terms is x minus 5.